Analyzing Skirt Surface Options, Shutoff Extension. In this task, we create a shutoff extension by specifying an offset distance. We enable only the following data display types. Plane display. We select shutoff extension underscore work.prt. In the ribbon, we select the View tab. We click the Model Display Group drop-down menu and select Component Display Style, Wireframe. We select the Mold tab. And notice the skirt surface shape. We edit the definition of Skirt Surface ID 1501. In the Skirt Surface dialog box, we double-click Shutoff Extension. In the Menu Manager, we click Shutoff Distance, type 2 as the value, and press Enter. We click Preview from the Skirt Surface dialog box and click Repaint. Notice that there is no difference in the skirt surface shape. In the Skirt Surface dialog box, we double-click Shutoff Plane. We select Datum Plane Shutoff and click Done Return from the Menu Manager. We click Preview, click Repaint, and notice that the Shutoff extension now extends to the shutoff plane. In the Skirt Surface dialog box, we double-click Draft Angle, we type 6 as the value, press Enter, and click Preview. We click Repaint, and notice that the shutoff extension surfaces have been drafted. In this task, we select a new shutoff extension boundary. We double-click Shutoff Extension. In the Menu Manager, we click Boundary, Select, 1 by 1. We query select the entire shutoff underscore boundary sketch and click Done from the Menu Manager. We click Preview from the Skirt Surface dialog box and click Repaint. Notice the new shutoff extension shape. Notice that the shutoff extension still extends to the shutoff plane, and notice that the shutoff extension surfaces are still drafted. In this task, we sketch a new shutoff extension boundary. We double-click Shutoff Extension. In the Menu Manager, we click Boundary, Sketch. We select the top workpiece surface as the sketch plane and click OK, Default from the Menu Manager. We select Datum Plane Mold underscore Front and the right workpiece surface as references and click Close from the References dialog box. We enable only the following sketcher display types: Display Dimensions, Display Constraints, and Display Vertices. We select Center Rectangle from the Rectangle Types drop-down menu and Sketch, Constrain, and dimension the sketch. We click OK and click OK from the Skirt Surface dialog box. This completes the demonstration.